Hi, this is Shaurabh. Today, I want to answer a question people often ask me. Why are you so connected with nature? Why gardening? For me, gardening is not just a hobby, it's a therapy. When I touch the soil, my mind automatically slows down. No noise, no pressure, no overthinking, just me and nature. Plants teach me something very powerful patience. You water them every day, you take care of them daily, but the results don't come instantly. They come with time, just like success, just like life. Gardening reduces my stress. It keeps my thought positive. It gives me kind of mental peace that no phone, no social media, no screen can ever give. Nature reminds me to stay grounded. Every new leaf feels like hope. Every flower feels like reward for consistency. It improves my focus. It improves my health. It even builds discipline inside me. In this fast moving world, gardening teaches me to pause, to breathe, and to grow. That's why I am connected with nature because while I take care of my plants, they quietly take care of me. Thank you for today.